In this video, we will learn how to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Let's look at some examples together. Let's start with this example, 32 times 12. First, we see that the numbers in our multiplication problem are stacked vertically, with one number on top of the other. We always want to make sure that we have the digits in the tens place and the ones place lined up. 12 is a 10 and two ones, so we are going to multiply 32 by each of those parts separately. We can start by multiplying 32 by the two ones. So, multiply 32 times 2. Start with 2 times 2, which is 4. So write it under the ones place, and 2 times 3 tens is 6 tens, so write it under the tens place. This shows that 64 is 2 times 32. Now let's move on to the next part. We want to multiply 32 by the tens digit of the second number. The 1 represents a 10, so we are multiplying 32 by 10. We are going to write the product of 32 and 10 down below our 64. Because we are multiplying by a digit in the tens place, we can put a 0 as a placeholder in the ones column. Now we can multiply. Start with 1 times 2. 1 10 times 2 equals 2 tens. So we put a 2 in the tens place next to our 0. 1 times 3 equals 3, so we write a 3 next to our 2 in the hundreds place. This shows that 32 times 10 is 320. Now we can add the results. We first add our ones, 4 plus 0 equals 4. Add the tens, 6 tens plus 2 tens equals 8 tens, and then our hundreds, 3. That's it! We've got our total. So 32 times 12 is 384. Let's try another one. This time we have 27 times 24. Again, the numbers in our multiplication problem are stacked vertically, so we can start our multiplication. 24 is 2 tens and 4 ones, so we're going to multiply 27 by each of those parts separately. We can start by multiplying 27 by the 4 ones. So, multiply 27 times 4. Start with 4 times 7, which is 28. Since 28 is a two-digit number, we have to regroup. Bring down the 8 to the ones place and write the 2 above the tens place. 4 times 2 equals 8, plus the extra 2 from regrouping equals 10. This shows that 27 times 4 is 108. Now let's move on to the next part. We want to multiply 27 by the tens digit of the second number. The 2 represents 2 tens, so we are multiplying 27 by 20. Because we are multiplying by a digit in the tens place, we can put a 0 as a placeholder in the ones column. Now we can multiply. Start with 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14, which means that we again need to regroup. Bring down the 4 first, and then write the 1 above the next digit we're going to multiply by, which is this 2. 2 times 2 equals 4, plus the extra 1 from regrouping equals 5. This shows that 27 times 20 is 540. Now we can add the results. We first add our ones, 8 plus 0 equals 8. Add the tens, 0 plus 4 equals 4. And then our hundreds, 1 plus 5 equals 6. So 27 times 24 equals 648. Nice! Let's try another. Multiply 24 times 60. Here our numbers in the multiplication problem are not stacked, so we'll want to start by lining up our digits in the tens place and the ones place. We can put either number on top. We'll get the same answer either way. Let's start by multiplying the ones. We want to take the first number, which is 24, and multiply it by the ones digit of the second number, which is 0. Anything times 0 is 0, so 24 times 0 is 0. Now let's move on to the tens. We want to multiply 24 by the tens digit of the second number. Remember that because the 6 represents tens, we have to put a 0 in the ones column as a placeholder. 6 times 4 equals 24. Since 24 is a two-digit number, we have to regroup. Bring down the 4 and write the 2 up here, above the digit in the tens place to the left of 4. 6 times 2 equals 12, plus the extra 2 from regrouping equals 14. Now we can add the results. 0 plus anything equals that number, so 0 plus 1,440 equals 1,440. That means that 24 times 60 equals 1,440. Here's one last example. We are finding the product of 75 and 99. Like the last problem, we want to stack our multiplication vertically like this. Let's start by multiplying 75 by the digit in the ones place, which is a 9. Start with 9 times 5, which is 45. Write the 5 under the ones place and put the 4 above the 7. 9 times 7 equals 63. Plus the 4 equals 67. Now let's move on to the tens. Because the 9 represents tens, the number will start in the tens column. Put a 0 in the ones column. 9 times 5 equals 45. Bring down the 5 and write the 4 above the 7. 9 times 7 equals 63, plus the 4 we carried equals 67. Now we can add the results. We first add our ones. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Add the tens. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Bring down the 2 and regroup the 1. Add the hundreds. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Plus the 1 is 14. Bring down the 4 and regroup the 1. And finally, in our thousands place, we have a 6 plus the extra 1 equals 7. So, 75 times 99 equals 7,425. Nice work!